Emptying your ostomy bag using the EasyDrainer drainage sleeve reduces the risk of splashes and noise. The product comes with detailed instructions for use. Before using the EasyDrainer, carefully read the instructions for use. Take out the EasyDrainer and unfold it to its full length. Place the handle of the EasyDrainer around the top of the ostomy bag, while the opening of the ostomy bag is placed inside the drainage sleeve. If necessary, you can use the tape strip to attach the handle of the EasyDrainer to your skin during the process. Place the end of the drainage sleeve in the toilet basin. Open your ostomy bag and empty the content of the bag into the toilet through the ostomy sleeve. Dry off the opening of the ostomy bag with toilet paper and close it. Tear over the handle on the used EasyDrainer to remove it from the ostomy bag and put it into the toilet. Flush out the EasyDrainer using full flush. Repeat flush 2 to 3 times to completely flush out the EasyDrainer. That's how easy it is to empty your ostomy bag when using the EasyDrainer. Easy, hygienic, and easy to use.